Guys, the weather here is so freaking annoying. Like, guys, like 1 minute it's sunny, 1 minute it's pouring, 1 minute it's just windy. Like in one day, in 2 hours, or in an hour, the weather can change like 3 times drastically. And guys, personally, I don't have clothes. I do not have clothes. I don't have clothes for winter. I don't know, and I didn't have time to go to the mall. I should have went to the mall earlier. I could have got like a jacket or something, go H&M. But as it stands, I'm just so fucking annoyed, and I'm ready to go home because Cape Town clearly doesn't want me. Like, to another part of the vlog. Today it's day 4 of being in Cape Town. Hebron and I are going to a wine farm in Steenburg for lunch, not anything else. But that's what we're doing. Although the weather is so cold and I personally don't have clothes for winter, I'm a bit stressed and I didn't have time to go to the mall in the morning. I think I should have, because in the morning it was sunny and the outfit I had in mind for Steenburg would have worked. But now when it's cold and raining, my outfit doesn't work. So I don't know. I guess, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. We'll suck it up. So hey guys, I'm leaving. We're going to the wine farm. I'm literally thugging it up. I'm wearing what I wore yesterday, but it's whatever. I still look cute and shit. So if I don't know if you guys can see me, I'm wearing my back and stocks dupe. And but it's giving Savivi in a way though. I thought he was giving us the bottom. It's so nice, I would want the bottom. I just wanna say you're mine, what you heard, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, what you heard, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. This place is so nice, but honestly, for this trip, the whole trip, I've just been feeling like I'm living in a geography textbook or something. Cause first of all, being in the plane, I got to see meanders, the rivers we used to study in geography. I got to see contours and stuff like that. We were in the clouds, I got to see them. Okay, nothing. But then now we're at a vineyard, because we used to study vineyards so much in geography. So I just feel like I'm living in a geography textbook.
trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap. And flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you pop.
So we are still at the wine farm, man. The ambiance is really chill. The place is really pretty. Guys, I think I've told you this already. I feel like I'm living in a geography textbook. I just, if you went to high school with me, if you're here, because it's just so amazing seeing the vineyards. Okay, I've talked about that already.
You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back from the wine farm. We've been back for like a good 2 hours or something. We're just chilling and relaxing, but now we are going to Lower Main. That's what Hebron calls it. So it's apparently where UCT students like go and chill and stuff like that. So that's where we are going. And yeah, I'm also meeting Hebron's friends, so I'm kind of excited for that.
Girl, you got it.
Today is day 4 of being in Cape Town. Hebron and I just came back from an outlet store that sells stuff at stuff discount. Because remember yesterday I didn't have clothes or anything like that for winter. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did. I need to quickly show you because we need to bounce. I got a cable for my iPhone charger. And then I got this from Cotton On. It's just like I'm gonna wear it today, so you guys will probably see it. I got it for like, the normal price is 800, but I got it for like 500. I feel like that's a win. And then at Cotton On, I also got these shorts. Oh, we should buy before fail. So from Cotton On, I got these shorts. I think they're really cool, especially because it's summer. Although it's not summer here, it's definitely summer in Joburg. And then I also got this cargo pants. I got these. I don't know if you guys can see them properly, but I'm gonna wear them. The normal price was 750, but I got them for 450. So that's a win. Yeah, so that's what I got.
Start to stutter when I speak. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, I scribble X and O notes in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're sure the stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby,
welcome back to another part of the Cape Town Diaries. Today it's Thursday. We're literally counting down days until I go home. I'm so sad because literally tomorrow is my last day. Because I'm leaving Sunday morning. But today we're going to the beach. First time going to the beach since we got here. Because the weather's been crazy, but we're going to the beach. Which beach are we going to? We're going to the Cloud Bay beach, but we'll most probably go to Clifton Beach tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see, depending on the weather, guys. Here you don't pre-plan, eh? You wake up and decide, oh, it's sunny, let's go to the beach. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing now. Yeah. So we did get to the beach, but Barutropile at the wrong side of the beach.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap and flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag in that.
So we just got to the beach. I think 30 minutes before, an hour before me recording this now. We were just taking pictures. The sky is very pretty. Now we are having a sip and paint, but we have nothing to sip, so we're just gonna paint. And yeah, that's just the vibe.
To what? Before you pass the joint.
Oh guys, I love how the color is changing.